Hello children, I am your EVS teacher. I hope you understand the first part, super senses. Now this is the second part of EVS lesson, super senses. So now we have eyes in front of our head. We have eyes in front of our head. So birds have eyes on either side of their head. So they can focus on two different things at a time. They can focus two different things at a time. We have seen birds, they moving their neck very often. Why do they move like that? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed. So that's why they move their head to look around. They move their neck to look around. See here, birds. So they have eyes on either side of their head. They move their neck. So why? Because their eyes are fixed. They want to see anything means they move their neck. Okay children? Okay. And birds like eagle, kites, vultures, they can see 4 times as far as we can. That means they can see from a distance of 8 meters what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Okay children? Birds, eagle, kites, vultures can see 4 times what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Okay children? Okay. Next one here. So birds, not only birds, animals. So we have to see all the colors like blue, green, red, such type of colors we have to see. But animals cannot see all the colors. Animals that are awake in daytime can see some colors. And animals that are awake at night can see only black and white colors. Only black and white colors. See here what happening here. Here, keep your ear on the table. Hit the table once with your hand and observe carefully. And observe carefully. What does we observe? We notice the vibrations. We notice the vibrations. How can we notice? So here with the help of ears, with the help of our external ears, we notice the vibrations. We can observe the vibrations. But snakes do not have external ears. They only feel the vibrations on the ground. They only feel the vibrations on the ground. Here, fishes like dolphins, they give alarm call by electric signals in water. By electric signals in water. So, why they are giving signals? To protect themselves. These electric signals were observed by the other fishes. Not only fishes, monkeys like langur warns others of danger from tiger or leopard. And birds make different sounds for different kind of dangers. For example, in December 2004, tribals were saved from tsunami by the animal behavior in Andaman. That means birds, animals, they warn us something happening in your surroundings. Okay children? We observe such type of animal behavior and protect themselves. Okay. So here this is sloth. It looks like a bear. It lives for about 40 years. It hangs upside down on a tree branch and it eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It comes down once a week to relieve itself. Here, to relieve itself means to pass waste from the body. What is the meaning of relieve itself? To pass the waste from the body. Here, this is the diagram. It indicates sloth's daily routine round a clock. That means sleeping and awake in a 24 hours clock. It looks like this. Here, each part 2 hours. The dark portion of this diagram indicates sleeping time for sloth. Sleeping time for sloth. Now this is about lizard. Here we couldn't understand any dark portion. We don't have any dark portion. That means we could not see lizard in winter. Why? Because they are not able to tolerate cold winters. They are in sleeping period. So that is called hibernation. That is called hibernation. What is hibernation? It is the state of inactivity when some animals go into deep sleep during cold winter months. Okay, children? Right. So next, here now you have to calculate these animals' time period. This is the homework to you. Okay, children? Next. So this is about tigers. So what happening here? Here this is tiger. Tiger can see six times better at night than most of us. A tiger's sense of hearing is very sharp. Sense of hearing is very sharp. So that it can make out of difference between the rustling of leaves and the sound of an animal moving on the grass. So they make different sounds for different purpose. That is to call out their tigress or to protect themselves. Okay, children? Here this is about hunting. People who kill animals are called hunters. Nowadays animals are in danger. Why they kill the animals? Why they are in danger? Means here animals are killed and their body parts are being sold. For example, elephants kill for their tusk. Tusk means long pointed tooth. Tusk means long pointed tooth. And rhinoceros for their horn. And a tiger, snakes, so crocodiles. These animals are killed for their skin. So like this, musk deer to make a small scent. Musk deer also kill to make a little scent. Okay. So to protect these animals, our government made some forests as protected areas. For example, Ghana National Park and Jim Corbett National Parks. So these are the protected areas. Okay, children? So here this is about hunting. Okay, children? Now I have You understand the lesson? So in this lesson we learned about animals, their seeing, that means their eyes, their hearing, that means sense of hearing, and animals, why the animals are in danger. Okay, so here our government made some forest as protected areas. Okay, children? Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.